Are you sleeping? Are you the one I saved that night? It's pretty windy today. Did the wind mess you up again? Are you okay? It's kind of a strange place to take a nap. I mean, it is the dog's bowl. It's kind of weird. I bet you're the one I helped that night. It looks like something's weird with your wing over there. Are you the one that spent like 5 hours getting dried off in my hands? With the little towel? Are you really napping on the water dish? No, your eyes are open. Are you okay? I think you were just napping. Poor thing. Oh yeah, you're not flying very good. I bet you are the one that I was helping. Look just like it. I'll keep an eye on you and see what's going on. Your wings don't look good. I wonder if one of those cats got you.